Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I please present to you with a round of applause, Meet at Agra to update the industry.
With an extreme diversity of consumerism and wiping across the country, footwear industry is among one of the India's most important market for both domestic and export. The National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council (NMCC) has identified the sector as one of the 12 focus manufacturing sector in terms of competitiveness and untapped potential in the country. Indian leather industry is the second largest manufacturer in the world. 13% of the global production is produced in India. The sector is one of the top 8 foreign exchange earner of the country, worth over rupees 18,000 crores per annum and accounting for nearly 3% of the global leather-related trade. An estimated 15% of the total purchase of leading global brands in footwear, garments, leather goods and accessories in Europe, and 10% of the global supply is outsourced from India. Majorly Indian leather industry exports to Italy, France, USA, Germany, UK and Spain. Leather industry occupies a place of prominence in the Indian economy in view of its massive potential for employment growth and exports. Nearly 2.5 million people got their job opportunities from this industry. Nearly 60 to 65% of the production is done by small or cottage sector. The export of leather and leather products increased manifold over the past decades and touched $3.59 billion in 2008-9, recording a cumulative annual growth rate of about 9.58%. If we consider India's leather and leather product export basket, the footwear export is around 43%. In India, along with Kanpur and Tamil Nadu, Agra is an important center of the footwear industry.
Agra is known as the city of Taj, one of the wonders in the world. A lot of tourists are getting attracted to the city because of Taj Mahal. But one very important aspect which is missing in the city, that a number of people coming to this city, they do not know the fact, that Agra is also one of the largest shoe center in the country and one of the most important shoe center in the world as well, This city has hundreds of thousands of workers, who have been learning of making the shoes,
Footwear production in Agra takes place in cottage and small-scale industries. It has about 80 modern factories, 150 semi-machinized factories and about 5,000 cottage units. Agra is reported to have a daily production capability of 250,000 pairs of all type of footwear. Bulk of country's domestic requirement of footwear is met from Agra. Footwear manufacturing in Agra has been the traditional industry from time of Mughal Empire. However, it's really grew to become a full-fledged industry after independence, as migrants from Pakistan joined this sector and gave it a big boost. As on date, about 25% Agra's population is reported to derive its livelihood from the footwear and leather industry. Footwear manufacturers of Agra have been opposing the export to the other competing countries by the tanneries in India. This has deprived the local footwear industry of good quality raw leather. The issue has ever been raised by the local exporters in various industry and forums, demanding an immediate ban on the export leather from India to countries like China. That's giving a tough competition to the Indian footwear industry. Agra footwear industry alone feeds 25% of the national footwear export, and out of $7 billion target set by the Council for Leather Exports (CLE) for footwear exports from the country in the coming 5 years. The Agra footwear industry has set an individual target of Rs 3,000 crores, expecting growth factor of 25% per year. This industry gives the tremendous job opportunities to localize every year. Agra Footwear Manufacturers and Exports Chamber (FMEC) play a wide role in this whole achievement. It's working on twofold objectives. First is to consolidate and project the Agra footwear industry as a cohesive group at national and international forums. And second is to provide a platform of exchange to synergize the strength of this group with international and to make optimum use of the same. FMEC was established in 1998, and in a decade, FMEC has about 95 members, which all are directly and indirectly connected with the export of the leather footwear.
Members of FMEC are largely international participants. They ensure platform for mutual exchange and ensure collaboration with foreign counterparts to encourage footwear exports. The platform ensures protecting the stakeholders from systematic negatives and align best practices at India and abroad.
As an international participant, the member of FMEC ensure a platform of mutual exchange, thereby ensuring business collaborations with their foreign counterparts, encouraging sector exports, protecting the stakeholders from systematic negatives, and aligning sector best practice in India and abroad.
Our association, Agra Footwear Manufacturers and Exporters Chamber, is playing a very important, pivotal role to bring together not only the component industry of India and also the international industry to upgrade the supplies of these very vital components which we need for our industry, and trying to synergize the energy not only on national but also on the international level, so that the set targets could be really achieved.
The industry in Agra produces quality products for exports to major brands in Europe, USA and other parts of the globe. FMEC, in its capacity as a sector catalyst, influences and facilitates favorable policy decisions by creating an atmosphere of mutual awareness on issues of common interest. On that high note, FMEC organized the first international leather trade fair, Meet at Agra 2007, with 140 stalls, 125 exhibitors, 5,000 footfalls and business of Rs 1,500 million. It was one of its kind to the extent that it exhibited on not only leather general components and accessories, but also the latest shoe machineries and cutting-edge technology. After the grand success of Meet at Agra 2007, AFMEC presented the second edition of Mega Show Meet at Agra 2008, which was inaugurated by Mr. Jairam Ramesh, Honorable Minister of State for Commerce, Government of India, with 200 stalls, 160 exhibitors, 10,000 footfalls and business of rupees 4,000 millions. The Honorable Minister congratulated AFMEC the fair so successful in a short span of 2 years.
We have tried our best to improve the profile of the fair every year. Looking at the success of the last two fairs, we got really encouraging support from all over. 80% of the stands were sold even 2 months before. We got the encouraging support from our sponsors as well as advertisers.
He hailed the Indian leather industry for achieving record growth in last 4 years, with exports touching $3.59 billion during 2007-8. And now the history is repeat. It's time to celebrate third edition of this gala, Meet at Agra 2009. With the aim of 225 stalls, 200 exhibitors, 12,000 footfalls and last but not the least, business of rupees 5,000 million target. Meet at Agra is beneficial for whole leather industry of Agra because nowadays footwear industry is growing rapidly and Agra is the biggest footwear manufacturer center in northern India. We wish this fair will give you tremendous growth opportunities as well as meet with your objectives to come here.